James Devine. I'm the president of J2 Studio Architecture and Design. The duties of an architect, basically we design buildings. So we meet with clients, find out what their needs are, lay out the floor plans, the aesthetics, what it looks like on the inside and the outside. Coordinate with engineers to make sure the systems, the mechanical, plumbing systems are coordinated. Depends on the time of season. I always tell our clients we're kind of like accountants. Our busiest time of the year in North Dakota is usually from like December through April, because everybody wants to get their buildings in the ground. We might be working a lot of hours those times. During the summer, there's a lot more construction, so our hours are more along the lines of construction workers, so we're working like more of a 40 to 50 hour work week. For architecture, you basically need to go to a 5 or 6 year program. Some schools you graduate in 4 years with a bachelor's, and you have a 5th year and 6th year could be master's of architecture. Some schools are 5 years, like North Dakota State University is a 5 years master's program. Once you graduate, you're in North Dakota, you're an intern, and you have to go through a certain program called IDP where you gain knowledge, and it takes about 3 years, and you can start taking tests, and then you can get licensed. The licensing exams right now for architects, there's 9 tests, and they're broken out where you can take them anytime you want within a 5-year period. So you do have to study quite a bit for them. It's stuff that you've learned in school as well as in through your practice. So basically, as a president of the company, I have to oversee all the interns. We have 4 interns in our office. I have to oversee everything to make sure that educational stuff is falling in line so they're getting educated in what they're supposed to be doing. My favorite part of the job is the meeting with the clients and find out what their needs are, and then trying to fulfill those needs either in the design portions or hard space planning problems that we have. The more challenging parts for us really is not doing a new building, but doing an existing building where we have to do a lot of rework. We do a lot of work with a medical client, and sometimes our projects are extremely challenging, not only trying to fit everything within a space, but also working around an operation that's 24/7. They need to be able to work with people, obviously. You know, a lot of people wonder, they think there's a lot of math involved. There's not a lot of math, but you have to be able to think on your feet, but also be able to problem solve. That's the biggest issue, is you have to be able to problem solve. First, they need to know that when they go to college, it's going to be a lot of work, because they have you work a lot of long hours in order to get the projects done. It's not as glamorous as people make it look on on TV, but it is. It's a challenging job, and you get to do a lot of interesting things. And one thing about it that I know a lot of people enjoy is, you know, once your project's done, it's there for a long time. You can always see it.